More funds have been seized. FTX is trying to make a comeback, and Sam Bankman-Fried is still going wild and running his mouth on Twitter. We got a lot to talk about today. Crypto family, I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So let's get into the content. Let's take a peek here at the actual comeback for the FTT token. And for those of you who didn't know, and I'm sure you do, FTX is the reason that the crypto markets had the most brutal bear market that we've ever seen. We've seen bear markets, we've seen bull markets, but this bear market was brutal, and it's on account of this company right here and the illegal activities that Sam Bankman-Fried and his team were doing with customer funds. And it came all the way down, and it crashed from many dollars down to pennies, and it actually rallied back. If you look over the last couple months here, over the last month, really, it actually rallied, as you can see, up to 233% gains, and it is currently up 160% gains, and it's coming down a little bit today, probably riding on some of the news that I'm going to share with you in a second. But the reason it has been rallying is, first of all crypto's been rallying. I've been saying for a while now that even, you put a blindfold on, you can almost buy any crypto and you might make some money, but do your research, invest in projects that you believe in. And if I were you, I would not be believing in FTX because of what they've done. And the FTX new CEO, not Sam Bankman-Fried, but the new CEO says there is actually a possibility for this exchange to restart. So this is probably part of the reasons we're seeing these 100% gains, these 200% gains for this token. And it really is disgusting to see because I don't trust anything that these guys say. Anything that has FTX on it, I ain't going in that anymore. But they are saying that they may restart. This is actually coming out. Originally, the CEO said that they probably wouldn't, and now he's coming out and say that they would. And unfortunately, Sam Bankman-Fried agrees with him. Look, we said this in our live stream the other day, and we do live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard PM for you guys to tune in. But we were talking, if Sam Bankman-Fried wasn't talking on Twitter, and if nobody that was involved in previous FTX exchange came back in and was still involved in this project, and if maybe none of this happened in the first place, I would buy FTX. But none of that is the case, and I will not buy FTX, especially considering SBF is really glad that Mr. Ray, the new CEO, is finally going to turn back on the exchange. Look, I want users to get their funds back, but they do not need to turn back on this exchange to do it. And anything other than that is a scam. I do not believe in this. I do not believe in this project. And I'm not saying that the coin price can't go up. It certainly can. But this is actually ludicrous. The fact that this is legal in any capacity blows my mind. I'll tell you, actually, there is news coming out where the ex-president of FTX US is actually trying to start his new exchange, GTX. That one I would almost trust more. But even that, anything that touched FTX, I don't want it. And I don't think you should want it either. That's not financial advice, but Sam Bankman-Fried has pulled up one of the biggest con jobs in the history of finance, and he is active on Twitter, and they're trying to restart this exchange. It should be a crime. This man was in jail, and he is going to be on trial in October. And more news is breaking for FTX. The feds seized almost $700 million of FTX assets in Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal case. He said that he did not use customer funds. He said it repeatedly. But federal prosecutors seized nearly $700 million in cash and assets connected to Sam Bankman-Fried. Court filings from Friday show primarily in the form of Robinhood shares. The Robinhood shares we heard greatly debated back a few months ago, but federal prosecutors seized this. And John Ray, who replaced Sam Bankman-Fried, is trying to rescue funds that were lost by the crypto company's depositors when the firm spiraled into bankruptcy. But guys, this is the key here. Federal prosecutors have alleged that Robinhood shares were purchased using customer funds, guys. In May, Bankman-Fried revealed that he had purchased a 7.6% stake in Robinhood at the time, which at the time everybody thought was bullish news. Well, he used customer funds, which is highly illegal. We think it's an attractive investment, said Sam Bankman-Fried. Of course it is. You're using other people's money to buy something that's going up. Robinhood was a good investment. All tech shares had issues over the last couple months, really, on account of the economic issues in the U.S. But guys, this story is absolutely ridiculous. He is clearly a thief. He has clearly used customer funds. This exchange has failed. I do not want to see this exchange come back. And the fact that we've seen gains like this on this coin, on this asset, are actually mind-blowing to me. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We'll keep news stories coming like this at you every day, 5 videos a day. And when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we will be giving away one loaded lion actually to somebody in the community. So make sure that you subscribe now. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Oh, yeah, don't DCA into FTT maybe. Not financial advice, but be safe out there, guys. Peace.